The first sale is the hardest one to get, but Sellvia has a feature that takes most of the hard part off your plate. A lot of beginners scroll right past it without noticing. In this video, I'll show you what it is and how to use it to make your first sale fast. Setup is where the time goes. You start and there's a huge list before you can sell a single thing. Pick a product, build a website, write every page, set up payments, sort out shipping. Weeks can disappear into that list, and none of it is the part that earns you money. A first sale needs three things: the right product, a price people say yes to, and a few of the right people seeing it. A Sellvia store hands you the first two outright and does a surprising amount of the third. That way your time goes into selling, not building. Let me open the dashboard and show you. Inside Sellvia, navigate to a section called Create New Store. You'll see a number of ready-made stores. Each one is a complete store, already built around a single theme. Design, branding, and products all loaded in and ready to sell. You don't design a thing or write a single product page. You get a copy of a store that already works, ready to sell from the moment it's yours. Take this one, a celebration themed store. It has everything people need to plan a party or a big event, and everything is sold as digital downloads. The products are filed by occasion across 10 categories: weddings, birthdays, kids' parties, graduations, holidays, and more. Checklists, hosting guides, and full planning books. When you get the store, you get an exact copy of all of it, ready to go. You can see that here. The products are things people already look for when a big day is coming up. And they're cheap, from about $4 up to around $24. That's low enough to be an easy yes. So, the product and the price are handled. The only thing left is getting people to see the store, and that's what the feature I mentioned is for. We'll get to it right after we launch. Getting it live takes just a few steps. Back in the Premium Store section, you pick the celebration store you just saw. You click Get this store, and your own copy goes live. That's about it for setup. Just a single click. From that moment, your store is online and can take orders. When a sale comes in, it shows up in the Orders section of your dashboard. Since these are digital products, there's nothing to pack or ship. You process the order and the file goes straight to the customer. You can also switch on automatic order processing, so orders are handled for you even when you're away from your computer. There's one optional step. If you want the store to feel more like your own, under My Store section, you can connect a custom domain, so your web address carries your brand instead of a default one. You can also switch the theme to change the look. None of this is needed to start selling. It's better saved for after your first sale than before it. Now for the last thing, getting people to the store. And this is the feature I promised at the start. When you get the store, it comes with its own creator and a full library of ready-made short videos. Around 30 or 35 of them, split two ways. 20 are built to grow an audience, the kind of warm, useful clips that people watch and share. The other 10 each point to one product in the store. So, on day one, you're not sitting in front of a camera wondering what to post. You take a video and put it on Instagram or TikTok with your store link in the profile. Someone watches, taps the link, and lands in your store. That's your first free traffic, and it costs nothing. You post the audience videos regularly, then mix in the products once to send viewers to something they can buy. Once those free videos are working, you can go further and put a bit of money behind them. That reaches more people than posting alone can, and you don't have to spend your own cash first. Every new copy comes with $40 in ad credit built-in, so your first paid promotion runs on Sellvia's money. You set this up in the advertising section. From there, your products can run on the big platforms like Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and you can see what each ad does. The report shows what you spent, how many orders it brought, and your return, so you know which ads to keep and which to stop. A good way to start is to watch which free videos gets the most attention. Then put the ad credit behind that one. One honest thing. Fast doesn't mean instant. It means you skip the weeks of building and get to sell right away. The store is ready today, but bringing in buyers is still up to you. Even though you are not starting from scratch, the videos and the ad credit give you a way in. One more reason a store like this is a strong first pick. Celebrations have no off-season. There's always a next wedding, birthday, or holiday somebody's planning. For a sense of scale, weddings alone bring in around $66 billion a year in United States. That's not a promise about your store. It just means there's a steady stream of buyers looking for exactly what this sells, all year round. So, that's the fastest path to your first sale on Sellvia. Pick a premium store, launch your copy, and post the videos it comes with to bring in the first buyers. The product, the price, and the store are already handled for you. Don't try to do everything at once. This week, aim for one sale. Once you've made it, the whole thing stops being a question mark and starts being something you can build on. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.